Guys, welcome back. It's Keith here with East Tennessee Flippers. Just wanted to welcome you to episode number 8. Stay tuned. Number 1 is going to be out of bin 4, guys. It is going to be another wall clippers. I've got, looks like maybe 5 left here. But yeah, another wall clipper here. That one went to Mr. Ortiz for a total of $26.20 shipped. Episode number 7 is up. We're getting closer and closer to those 30 subscribers. I'm hoping here in the next week or two, man, maybe we'll have 40. Item number 2 we got going out today is going to be back here in the CD box. And it is going to be Flesh and Bone CD, Fifth Dog Let Loose. That one is going out to Warren. I want to thank Warren for that purchase. That sold for $26.88 shipped. All right, guys. Order number 3 is going to be out of bin number 8. That is going to be one of these compression, or 2 of these compression shorts with the protective cup, and that sold for $22.13 shipped. Thank you, Kevin, for that. Kevin also left us a note here that says appreciate your willingness to accept the return if needed. Also, we've got five orders of Funko Pops going out. They are the Obi-Wan Kenobi Walgreens exclusive pops. Those were private individual sales. One to Adolfo, one to John, one to Nick, one to Anthony, and one to James. Thank you all for that. All right, we got some more special orders going out on a private deal. Megan's been out here helping me.
Hi, I'm Megan.
She's been out here helping me pack and get some stuff situated. But we've got another shipment going out to Jack and 2 going out to Ian. Thank you guys for that. All right, guys, so here's more information on the private deal. I just wanted to go through and thank a few more people, or actually I'm just going to run through the list and thank everybody that made a purchase. Thank you, AJ. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Adolfo. Thank you, Jefferson Steelflex. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, John. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Nicholas. And thank you, Warren. Thank you guys for your purchases. Hopefully we will have some more going out before tomorrow. All right, guys, we've got another order going out. It's going to be in bin number 9. It's a Walt Disney sticker book, I believe, or the Happy Planner. It includes over 1,300 pieces. That went to Chantal for $29 even. Our next order is going to be a private deal. This one is going to Ireland, and it is for a Obi-Wan Kenobi pop. This was a really good deal. This came from my source that I told you guys about a couple videos back. I'm actually able to get back with my source. Got some inventory coming in, guys. So I've got 5 more pops. I'm going to pick up some more hopefully here in the next day or two. Got some other stuff possibly coming in, but I'm gonna end this video here, edit it, and put it up today. I've got, and I'll pop a screenshot up of all the orders that went out yesterday. That was a pretty big day for me and for us here at East Tennessee Flippers. We just got, we just got to get through this and get our inventory back up, guys. But just remember, guys, there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do, and just keep on keeping on, guys.